What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm gonna show you the Yikong's new crawlers. Now let's unbox it. Here you can see this is a new box and it's different from the former ones, the Jeep GL. Well, the stickers here, the manuals, transmitter, and here it is, this new crawler. The prototype is Toyota FG Cruiser, so beautiful, the blue version. And I know a lot of guys love the Toyota FG's body, so that's why Yikong made it. Wait a minute. Now let's see it. You can change the Yikong's icon to this Toyota. And I think there must be the back tires. The back tires in this box. Yeah, here it is. Now here you can see you can use new shocks, and the universal shaft changed to plastic. Nylon. Oh, this must be the nylon one, not the metal one. But I think it's tough enough for these crawlers here. And the metal axles, just like before, the former version, all the same. Here you can't see the R-clip on here, so you can this time change to the magnet here. And you should lose this. So here you can the front, these two you can see. Two magnets in the front and rear. and others are all the same like the former version. By the way, the metal shocks looks beautiful. This is a little strange. You can see 3 wipers here. Wait a minute. I will install these backteria and show you the lights. You can see the headlights and the indicator lights. And this is a flash mode. So I think this, the newest Yikong version, the Yikong YK4103 Pro. This is the 3rd projection of the Yikongs. I think the prices is a little bit lower than the former versions, and here it's switched to the all metals, and you can change the coils, you can change the springs, the shocks, and it uses the magnets instead of the arc clips, so it makes the car looks more real. So I think it's your bargain. It's a perfect production crawler. So please make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.